Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. So it's good to see you after a few days. Actually, I couldn't be able to post a few of my videos because since a few days, almost like after since 2 days, I'm not feeling well because it's the climate, everything is changing here in Australia, and I'm getting quite cold, like my nose and it's blockage, and I'm feeling quite cold and sick, so I couldn't be able to post any kind of videos. But yesterday and today I have my day off, and today I was feeling quite good, so I thought that maybe I should make some videos. So today I won't be making any kind of videos related to the trading. Like, I mean, I won't be trading as I was doing for 30-day trial for my for checking my system, but rather today it will be some kind of informative videos for all those viewers who are in the trading field and who are retail traders. Maybe a lot of you have already known about this concept. This is called today I'm talking about funding programs. As we know that to sustain in market or to generate a lot of income through the market, we need capital. So as a medium class people living outside Australia or living in Asia, most of my viewers, uh, not only Asia, but mostly for all the youths, like money capital is one of the most prominent factor, like which is kind of a drawback for all the people. So if you don't have a capital but you have an idea to how to trade in the market, then you don't need to worry about, because there are already a lot of online profitable firms who could who could give you a fund, and behalf of them you could trade for them, and whatever profit you make, you could split between both of you. Like, for example, if you make some sort of profit through the capital, then maybe almost like for 80 and 90% of the profit you could take for yourself, and the remaining 10%, 20%, you can give it to the prof firm. So before there was not used to be a lot of online pro firms, because there's still a pro firms all over the industry. Like, if you have to work physically as a trader, then you could join this kind of pro firms also. But there are few pro firms who are providing online services to all those talented traders who are all over the world, because the pro firm might be from the Australia, but a person who has a good knowledge in trading might be living in Nepal. So in that case, a person living in Nepal won't be able to come in Australia. So that's how this concept emerged like this. That's how it came in existence. If you really have a trading knowledge and if you want a sponsorship, not a sponsorship, but if you need a money to trade, then you could apply for that. Like, my few of my brothers, they are living in Nepal, and they are doing a very good, like they are getting funded from these companies already. But I never have tried these funded programs before. So as today I have my day off, and I was thinking that maybe I should go through this challenge, and if I would pass this challenge, then I could apply for the fund I need. So I thought that as I will be going through all these things, maybe I should make a video and make aware to all my viewers. So let's go. All right, guys. So I'm also new in here, so we will just go through it step by step. All right. So let's first go to uh, YapTM. Oh, there are so many pro firms, I guess, but YapTMO is quite famous in industry, I guess. So everyone is talking about YapTMO. So I thought that maybe we should go through YapTMO. So guys, this is the YapTMO, and how it works. If you want to see uh, what is FTMO and all these things, like you can see here, like FNQ, like the question and answer section, most frequent questions in the market. You could see here, like you see here, and the testimonials trading about us. Like I think they are situated in Europe, I guess. I don't know exact name of uh, their central office, but yeah, that's what it is. So as you can see that trading is very small account is really difficult, as your growth in terms of percentage generate small profit. On other hand, you can become outstanding trader. However, low profit gain will certainly. With EFTMO, you can become a serious trader and use an initial account balance of a substantial size for trading. You simply need to pass our two-step evaluation. All right, so what they are saying is they can provide you the fund, and all you need is to pass the two-step evaluation. All right, so let's see what it is. So let's start the FTMO challenge. All right, so what they need is, okay, so sign into your account. Let's try to sign in. All right, guys, let's make sign in. Looks like invalid register. Oh, we are new here, so we will just register. All right, guys, so Mr. Rahul Dal of 1365026. Let's make a passport here. That's good. I'm from Australia. I agree the processing of personal like police, like there would be so many things, so we can't just do. But if you guys want to see what's written here, you can see. Do you want to receive news about our project? Sign up for newsletter. No, not I don't want a lot of messages coming on my email. I acknowledge my name is correct and correspondence to the government issue identification. Yes, that's right. I'm not a robot. I'm feeling quite cold, guys, so I'm drinking green tea. The COVID has been increasing a lot in Australia. I'm feeling quite bad. I don't know. This might be a COVID or what, but it's getting pretty common right now. Oh, so water on my keypad. All right, let's register. Got it. You need to verify your email address to activate your account. All right, I think we need to go to our email address. Email verification. An email with instruction to your verified email address has been sent in this email address, but I haven't seen anything. Oh, what the flop. Why? What is this? Draft or maybe spam? No. Why it is taking a long time? An email with instruction to verify your email address has been sent to your address. Haven't received a verification code in your email? Click here to resend the email. All right, I haven't got it. Let's see if we got the new one. What's going on, man? Why I'm not getting any kind of email here? An email with instruction to verify email address rahul.2023@gmail.com. I'm not getting anything here. No, this is not. Oh, is it? No, this is not. We are through data analysis bootcamp. No, this is not. Oh yeah, here we have, I guess, FTMO verify email. someone has created an account ftmo.com with this email address. If this was you, click yeah, this is me, so we can verify here. Alright guys, now you can see that we are already logged in, as we have just made our we already signed in, and this is our profile, I guess, Rahul Dahal, my profile, and this is all. So what we can do is new ftmo challenge. So guys, as you can see, trading account currency, so these are the currency you could choose for your trading account currency. This currency of the account is not interchangeable. Payouts from ftmo account are in the same currency as your trading account. So guys, as I'm in Australia, so I would choose AUD here, Australian dollar, and what is this? Oh, this is USD, $10,000 account. This is euro. I think Australian dollar, its value is quite smaller. That's why it's showing much. Okay guys, so we can see here that we need to choose a currency, and this is the risk mode, normal. What is this? This is a normal risk mode, and these are the account balances we can trade. As you can see, for now we can trade up to ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Sorry, I'm talking in Nepali, but as you can see, ones, 200, 10 million, so you can 200,000, so you can almost trade to 200 uh, 200,000 AUD. Like if you want to trade with this capital, it's almost like in Nepal, it's almost like 2 crore, 1.8 to 2 crore of funding you could get from ftmo. For all those international viewers, I want to say that if you want to trade if you want to trade in the market, but you don't have amount to trade, but you want a large amount of capital, so the ftmo is providing you almost like 200,000 60 dollar, $200,000 more than AUD, so you can go for it. So as I already we already talked that to get the funding, you need to pass the two challenges. So the maximum number of capital you want to pursue, the more charge, like the fee you need to pay. It's not so many much money, but still you need to pay certain amount of money to get that ticket kind of thing to pass. All right, so here are two kind of account type we can see. This is normally ftmo, I guess. This is the ftmo swing. With an ftmo swing account type, you can hold trades overnight and over the weekend. You can also trade during the news releases. The leverage on the swing account type 1:30. All right guys, so it depends upon the trading style you trade. All right, so if you are intraday trader, or you are a short time trader, you usually close your position before you go to sleep, or whenever you are on in the market, you just take the trade, and once the trade is finished, you just skip it. Then ftmo challenge would be better for you, because you will get 1:100 leverage. So it means that if you are investing like one, if you have $10,000 account, then you could trade almost like in 200, so it's almost like 10,000, almost like thousand, it's almost like 1 million, I guess. So you could get a leverage from the broker, like the ftmo could provide you, but there would be a risk factor. So it depends upon your trading style. As for me, I usually trade on the market open, and my trading is usually not scalping, but it's kind of for 30 minutes, 15 minutes to almost like 2-3 hours. So I usually close my position before I go to bed. So I'll choose ftmo normal account. All right guys, and let's even check like trading account currency, what should we use, which trading account currency we choose in ftmo. ftmo offers services in euros, and if a payment is made in a foreign currency, the current exchange rate would be applied in the conversion. So it's depend upon you guys, like if you want to trading account currency USD. For me, I'm in Australia, so I think it would be better to go with $15,000 account. And the currency of the account is not interchangeable. The currency of the account is not interchangeable. Payouts from FTM account are in the same currency as your trading account. I almost forgot that I put hot water inside the bottle. The currency of the account is not interchangeable. Payouts from the FTMO account are in the same currency as your trading account. So guys, what it's trying to say is whatever currency you choose here, the payout would be in the same currency. So if you choose a US dollar, and when you make a profit in the market, then the payout would come on the dollar, US dollar. So accordingly, if I'm trading in AUD, as I choose my trading currency as Australian dollar, so my payout would come on Australian dollar. So that's what it's saying. So I don't know much what should we do, but right now I'm going for Australian. Is it all good? So as you can see that these are the account balances you can apply for me. This is my first trial for my FTMO challenge, so I won't be going way too big capital. So I'm just focusing on $15,000 AUD, and my account type would be normally FTMO 1:100 leverage. And here are the platforms, guys. So it depends upon which platform you use. So you can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, DXTrade. So what happens, guys, is to do some sort of trading you need a platform, isn't it? So trading view and other sort of things, that's all for analysis purpose. So you need to execute your position, isn't it? If you won't have any kind of FTMO challenge, you usually used to do your trading on through the broker's platform. But here the broker for us would be FTMO kind of thing. So they are giving us this kind of platform so that we can execute our trade. So if you want to if you are new here and you don't know about MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, all these things, you could see these things in the YouTube. And if you want to see more videos about this, you can simply comment. I will try to make videos here. So for me, I usually trade on MetaTrader 4. It's my demo account right now, so I will choose platform here. Before it used to be only Meta 4, Meta 5 and CTrader. Right now they have included DXTrade. I don't know about this one, so I'm just clicking on MetaTrader 4. And billing information. Before you start your trading for us, we need to know some basic information about you. All right, so what they are saying is billing information. So my name is Rahul Dahal, email address is this is 413650226, city. So guys, I'm living right now in Adelaide, so I would mention my city. And street, the street I'm living is 22 Raffles. CRES Raffle Crescent, FLYEM Flemington, 22 Raffles Crescent, Flemington. And the postal address 5038 is the postal address of our, and I'm in Australia, state South Australia. Raffles Crescent, note, custom note, I don't know what is this. Payment currency. So here they are mentioning in how I will be paying them. So for me, why there is no any Australian dollars? So maybe I should use USD for this one. I declare that I have read the agreed terms and conditions. What is this? Yeah, we can simply I declare. Oh my god, it's quite big, isn't it? $171. I thought it used to be a little bit. Let's use USD. What happens? $10,000 account. Still 171.78. Trading account currency. Trading account currency is this one. USD. Alright guys, now you can see that as I'm applying for $10,000 US dollar amount of amount I'm applying for this Mossab capital, and for this I need to pay almost like $171.78 for this what do we call, like for this challenge. So I was expecting quite less, but it's showing 171, so we will just compare. All right, some proform proforms challenge fee comparison 2023. Let's see the latest one. October 27, 2023. Cheapest performs and challenges. We can't just simply go for cheapest one because we can't. We don't know. We should, because YapTMO is already in market for a long time, so we could rely on its. It's kind of trustworthy. So, but we still need to make some sort of. My forex fund $5,000 is $50. My forex fund. Let's see. Let's first check few of the things. All right, guys, before making a decision. Top 5 cheapest perform challenges in 2023, all less than $100. Top 5 perform challenge under $100. One of the greatest thing about online perform is the ability to break into the trading industry with the need to risk thousands of dollars in capital. Nevertheless, many challenges can still be quite costly, especially for those in the low GDP countries. Therefore, the reason for this article. Alright, where is the funded trader? The funded trader are soon to release their new 3-phase challenges, which will feature significantly reduced prices compared to the standard challenges. Maybe the funded trader. Maybe we should directly see. So this is YapTMO, guys. Let's check on my forex fund. All right, this is YapTMO, my forex fund. I also heard about this Proform, my forex funds, my forex fund. Yeah, let's see. This video might going to be quite long, guys, so don't be just look it patiently, because we need to compare, isn't it? I'm just going in a very normal way, as a new beginner usually starts, kind of way. My forex fund. So let's programs evaluation. Let's see. Evaluation rapid for $10,000. What amount we need to pay? What is this? Conventional. It's even showing much, isn't it? It's $485 for $10,000. It won't be like this. I don't know. This won't be right. Rapid. Let's see what I'm trying to say. Get started immediately with accelerated funding. Industry leading profit split environment. Prove your experience with your evaluation account. Quick 2-phase evaluation process. Generous withdrawal limit. Profit split 85%. No target. You get paid 12% of the profit you earn in your account. Time per week 3. So here you can see here for $10,000, as you can see that the fee we need to pay is $99. So it's quite uh, it is quite cheaper than Yaptiamo, isn't it? It's only $99. Rapid evaluation accelerated. Let's see other top best perform 2023. Funded trading, funded trading. Yaptiamo top set overview. Funded next. Funded trading. Funded trading. So in this account, for $10,000, this is all we have. Let's I can check. All right. Unless I can check Yaptiamo's. Yaptiamo. We also need to see other features like what we need to do. I'm already logged in here. I just want to go in the normal evaluation process. So as we can see that for $10,000 there we need to go through 3-step verification, like 2-step verification. So the trading period would be unlimited. We could trade for unlimited time frame and minimum trading days. So trading period unlimited, and the minimum trading days would be 4 days. So the time period is unlimited, guys. You don't have any kind of time limit, like you need to. Before it used to be 28 or 30 days, I guess, but they have changed it to unlimited. That's a good thing. So you don't need to be in hurry, like there is not kind of any kind of time duration boundaries. So you can simply take your time, look for your system, like look for the price to come in your system, and then you could trade. So there is no time limit. So that's the good thing for us, is it is unlimited. And for minimum trading days is saying 4 days. So as guys, like I before I forget to mention that as I would be taking $10,000 of account here. So if I make a profit of 10%, so if it would be almost like $11,000, then the first step would be it would be profit target, as you can see, 1000. Like if I'm taking $10,000 of account, then if I make $1000 profit, so it's almost like 10,000, 10%. So my first challenge would be accepted. So you could even make 10% in one day, but that's not a good, guys. So they are just giving you a time. So what they are saying is there should be minimum four day of trading activation. So maybe you make 2% today, tomorrow 2%, maybe today 1%. That's how you can calculate, guys. All right. So the maximum daily loss would be $500. So if your account comes below 5% in a day, then that is the maximum loss you could bear. So the maximum loss would be 1000. So as similar as the profit. So if your account comes below 10% of its capital, then you'll lose the challenge. So guys, I what I say is the risk management is the prominent one of the most important thing in trading. So every successful traders in the industry who are professional, what they say is like whatever capital you have, you just use the 2%, maybe 1 or 2% of your account. So as they said that there is no any kind of only there is unlimited time frame. So let's say you have a $10,000 of account, then what would be the 1% of 10,000 is $100, isn't it? So the maximum loss you could bear in one trade would be $100. So what you just do is whenever you trade, make a stop loss. Like if your system's stop loss is below $100, then yeah, you can take a trade, but don't just over leverage, and don't just put a stop loss which would cost your maximum loss. So that's what it is. So usually that's what it is. But one thing we need to realize that the maximum loss for us would be the 10% of the capital. So even I'm saying 1% here, like the 1%, 1 or 2% risks on your capital. But still, if you see clearly, then you would know that the risks is quite increasing for you, because even though it seems like we have $10,000 of account, but the but if you even keep on trading, risking 1 or 2%, you only have 10 trades left. So what you can do is, like, I saw one of the video from his name is Palzin, I guess. He is a 1 million, more than $1 million of funding account he is using for his trading. And what he said was, for example, if you have a $10,000 of account, then the maximum risks you could bear to sustain in the market would be just risking 1 or 2%. Just what you can do is, instead of putting a risk of $100 in single trade, what you can do is just simply 2%. Just take a $200 only $200 of capital for your trading, and even in that $200, just go deep inside, and only risk 1 to 2% from that. So if you could say that if your account is $200, then what would be the 1% of 1% of $200? So the 1% of 200 would be $2. So you can even do that, but depend. I don't think like from that way you could. It would take a time, isn't it? To Even though it's unlimited time, but it will take a hell lot of time to grow your account in. So it's better to just stick on 1 to 2% of stop loss risk management, and that's what we need to do. That's all, I guess. So here it is. So the maximum daily loss would be $500. So if we make 10% growth on our capital, then the step one would be cleared. So in the step two, what we can see here, also the trading period is unlimited, and the minimum trading days is also 4 days here, and maximum daily loss is 500. As similar, it is 5% drawback in single day, so the maximum loss is similar 10%. But what is what's the good point in the step 2 is that in the step 1 what you were doing was the target profit target you were looking for, it was 10% of your capital. So if I will take $10,000 of account, then if I get 10% return from my capital from the market, so if my account would be 11,000, then my first step would be done, like I'm past. In the second phase, what happened is that you only need to uh, get 5%, 5% of your 5%, yeah, only the 5% of a profit from the market. So if you only make 5%, which would be $500 in $10,000 account, then you will pass this step to like the second step also. And what happened would be the refundable fee. So you, as you can see that they are saying that I need to pay $171.78 for $10,000 account. So if I will pay if I will complete two of my challenges, then the money will be refundable. So if I will pass all these things to step verification, then they will refund my money. Guys, why they are taking this money is because as you can see that anyone could apply for this challenge. So the money they are providing us is in some sort of risk. So what they are just trying to simply trying to manage their risks from their side. So that's what it is. So that's the thing, guys. So we can't do anything. So if the step 2 verification would be done, then what you can see is in the step 3 now you become a FTMO trader. So you first we did a FTMO challenge, second is the verification, where we need to in the first one we need to get 10% profit from our capital. In the second one we need 5% from our capital, and in the third in the after second one step 2 completed, then we become a FTMO trader. So the trading period would be unlimited. You become, now you become a trader. You have a $10,000 of account capital in your pocket, in your bank, in your system, so in your platform. So you could simply trade unlimited. You don't have any time bound, like you could like yeah, you can hold your trade like there is no time limit, guys. Simply like you don't want to trade this month, it's all good, the account, the money is in your bank. So the not in the bank, but yeah. So in the minimum trading days would be no more. Like here they said that you need to have 4 days. 4 days, this is unlimited, guys. You need to remember that uh, the time frame trading period is unlimited, and the minimum trading days is 4 days. But here in step 3 you don't need to have any kind of minimum trading days. All right, guys. So just this is a good thing. And the similar case, so the maximum daily loss, even though you become a FTMO trader, like the same thing happens, guys. So the risk management is very important here. So uh, 10% drawdown, like if your capital goes beyond like below 10%, then the account won't be there. So if you make a 10%, then you can, yeah, you will get a refund here. All right. So I was just trying to check other few. So here FTMO payouts system, the default payout ratio for FTMO trader is set to 80%. However, 80% share is not where we draw the line. Alright, so what they are saying is the FTMO trader can request payout on demand. The payout can be proceeded just after 14 days, but you also have the ability to choose your own profit split day. If you meet the condition of our scaling plan, not only do we increase the balance of FTM account by 25%, the payout ratio will automatically changes start. So usually they give 80%, 80 to 20. Like if you make a profit, you get 80% of your profit, and 20% those amount is taken by uh, FTMO. But consistently, if you make a good profit in the market, and you are just, and they will help you in scaling up your capital also. And 90% change to a 90. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. I just wanted to check few other things. 10,000 dollars challenge, perform comparison. I just want to see some images. All right. Let's see here. Here we can compare, I guess, when it is published. Yep, TMO, yep, TMO. They haven't mentioned anything here. YapTM is quite reliable and trustworthy, I guess, but we need to compare, guys. Before buying something in the market, we need to compare, like, otherwise we would pay a huge money, isn't it? Let's compare this one. All right. So here we can see comparison chart. In YapTMO, for $10,000 account, we are paying 155 euro, but for my forex fund, the fee is 84. Drawdown 5%, profit scalping 10%, leverage. We can see here, guys, that my forex fund is providing a lesser fee, but the drawdown is 5%. Let's check the latest one. My forex, maybe they have changed my forex funds. My forex fund, 10,000 dollars account. Let's first check. Maybe they have changed, isn't it, for the drawback. If you are getting a half of price of lesser than the FTMO, then it's better to go with other one, isn't it? My forex fund program, rapid evaluation. My forex fund rapid account program is built to reward traders for their time while accessing the trader as they learn to trade with the demo account. The account size ranges from 10k to 100k. Bonus are paid on a weekly or monthly basis. Bi-weekly. Of my forex rapid program, ultimate goal is to gain a 3-month snapshot of traders' capabilities. Before giving the access to our live trading fund, the advantage of the rapid program is that you are getting bonus. Learn more. Rules: 5% daily drawdown. You must not have 5% drawback based on your balance equity on your account with a 24 hours period. Always remember. So 12% overall drawdown. That's nice, guys. Then the FTMO, isn't it? Like, they were only providing 10% drawdown. So if I have a $10,000 account and my account goes below $1,000, then the account get freezed, like it won't work. But here, uh, like, it's 12%, so it's almost like $1,200. Like, if you have 10,000, 100,000, 12%, 12,000. Okay, right. Being consistent. A trader must enter one trade for at least 3 days. A trader must enter one trade for at least 3 days a week. Can we call it 3 trading days a week rule. However, if you for some reason you want, all right guys, maybe okay, for previous FTMO what they were saying was 4 trading days, isn't it? So usually Saturday and Sunday the market get closed for forex, but it was 4 day. But here in my forex fund it's almost like only a 3 days a week, so it's even better. No risk, you can trade any instrument available. Lot size, payout increase, your payout increases over time as you grow. Seems like I think we should go with my forex fund, isn't it? Like everything is good here. The even the drawdown is better here, and the trading days they are providing is like 3 days a week. And you are paid 12% of all profit you make. So earn while you learn, large product consistent. All right, it seems like my forex fund is better in my analysis, because we are paying almost like a double amount of money than FTMO, and the drawdown and everything is quite lesser. Actually, why people use FTMO is because this is trustworthy in the industry. And yeah, just you we can make a portfolio, like I don't know when we will make it, but if yeah, some maybe some sort of capital you'll be using from FTM. A lot of traders do that. They don't have usually $1 million of capital. They just combine everything. So they get few from FTM or from forex fund, and just they just combine. Our forex fund account evaluation program is built for forex trader, so it's usually only for forex guys. For FTMO, they might be providing other few things, not only forex product. Them you might be doing currencies, no, like cryptocurrencies, or maybe some ETF shares. But in my forex fund we are only relying on, because I'm a forex trader, I could go for this one, I guess. Now we could see here is the $10,000. Okay guys, now we can see here first phase evaluation, evaluation phase 8% phase established. So for $10,000 daily starting drawdown would be 5,000, overall drawdown 1,200, refundable registration fee 84, only 84 guys. So good, isn't it? Like here in FTMO we were paying $171, 816, almost like double. My gosh. But here the refundable registration fee is only $84, so it's almost like half of the price. In half of the price you are getting the same amount of money. And even other things like the daily drawdown is similar, but the overall drawdown is even better. Like the drawdown for that one was 10%, but here they are giving 1,200. And minimum trading days 5 days, minimum trading days. So what is it? It's saying 5 days here. Minimum trading days, maximum trading days, unlimited. Before they were three on the top, but what it is? You must trade a minimum of 5 trading days to pass the pro form evaluation. This shows us your ability to be patient and your forex trading habits, enabling us to profile your style and skill. All right, so they are saying 5 days here. Let's read it again. All right, you must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity on your forex trading account within 24 hours period. Starting equity on your forex account within 24 hours period is all right. So no more than 5% drawdown on the capital. Your forex trading account must not go down by 12%. So that's we understand that. you need to reach the profit target of 8% without breaching any of the other rules. All right, that even good. Like on on the FTMO, they were saying 10% profit target, but here you need to reach the profit target of 8% without breaching any other rules. So here we all we need is 8% profit target. No trading restriction. Trade your forex performance account your way, your size, your time. We do not limit the way we you can trade. We do recommend that you maintain consistency and focus on risk management, and it is important for long term success. Be aware of all the rules before starting. 5 trading day minimum. You must trade a minimum of 5 trading days to pass the perform evaluation. This shows us your ability to patient and your forex trading habits, enabling us to profile your style. So uh, guys, we need to trade daily for here, like for our evaluation. Like if we are going through evaluation process, then we need to go 5 trading days a week. So 5 profit target phase 2. If you successfully complete the phase 1, so if we complete our phase 1, you will need to start on phase 2, where you are required to reach a profit target of 5% without breaching. All right, so if we complete our first phase, guys, in the second phase we only need to target a profit of 5%. So if I'm getting a similar as FTMO $10,000 account, my first phase is completed, then in the second phase, if I get $500, like the 5% of my capital, then the phase 2 is completed. And after that, everything would be better. Let's see this all rules, other rules also. So evaluation program benefits: low cost high quality option, the lowest target in the market, at just 8% of the phase 1 and 5% to phase 2. That's good. So they're quite good in the market. Up to 85% profit split, get paid up to 85%. So uh, here before in the FTMO on initial days, like there would be 80-20% profit split, but here they are saying 85%. So they will be taking 15% and you will be getting 85% of the profit. That's a good deal. And no maximum trading days. No maximum trading days. Enjoy the freedom of no time limits on both of the first 2 phases and explore market opportunity at your own pace. No maximum trading days. Okay, so there won't be any maximum no trading restriction. Trade news holdovers, so you can even hold your trades on the news, and weekends you can do scalping, swing trade, like all those things. If you reach your first payout of your live account, you will receive a full refund plus your profit split. So if you make a profit in your real account, once you pass the challenge, then they will provide you with your profit, and they will also provide you your refund, as they are saying. You are paid 75% of your profit, or after the first month of trading. In your second month, you are paid 80% of the profit bi-weekly. On the third month, you will receive 85% bi-weekly. All right, guys, now you can see that if you become a profitable trader, and in the first month you will get 75% of the profit split. So in the second month you will get 80%, and they will paying you on weekly, bi-weekly, they are saying, from the second month. But for the first month, you need to wait for monthly. And on the third month you will receive 85%. So from the third month, they will split the profit up to 85%, and on that phase also you will be getting a weekly money. On our profit sharing is paid via. So how could you get your money is through the you can get through bank transfer or PayPal, TransferWise, or cryptocurrency. So these are the ways you could get, like you could directly give your bank transfer if you're living in, yeah, so that would be better. So if you guys are trading from Nepal or those places where forex is not quite legal and popular, then I don't have to say this, but what you can do is you can just simply ask your friends who are living in abroad, or might be India people do, I don't know what is there legal or what, but a lot of people are doing in Nepal also. You can ask with them how they manage. Maybe you need to make a account, some sort of account, or you get some help from your friends. You can give their account number so that they could send you money later on. Or I heard that a lot of people's, even though forex is illegal, but like all this investment for international investment, but I think I don't know what was that. You could even do some kind of online works, isn't it? From staying from Nepal, you could do some online jobs, and there is a way from which these employers, they pay their employees. So you could make such kind of, you can just look those kind of things on the YouTube. You just ask with your friends, and maybe there's always a way, guys. So no need to worry about. So that's what it is. And all right, guys, I think I should go with because this is my first phase. Like, this is my first, even I have been trading in the market for a long time, but I haven't tried any kind of perform challenges yet. So I think it would be better to go with my forex fund, isn't it? Because this is not even a very bad company, it is also a reputed one. It's going by, because these firms are quite new in the market, and they want to compete with each other. So for FTMO, they are quite rigid in the market, so that's why the competitiveness in the market is the trustworthiness. But for these new and the good reputed pro firms, they could compete through this kind of cost leadership, isn't it? So we should respect that, we should think about that. So for me, I would love to go with uh, my forex fund. So what they are saying is, forex fund account evaluation. Our forex fund account evaluation program is built to forex traders to prove their skills. Semi-professional traders in capital to move the next level of their career have the opportunity to show their talent and reach their goal in a quick two-phase process. Here is also enjoy forex perform and become a funded trader. Our evaluation program is a two-step process where a potential funded trader can prove their forex CFD, central for difference, guys. It's a forward contract. It's like a future, not a future contract, but uh, it's, it's kind of not future. There is no any kind of time limit where there would be in the future there would be an expiry of date for traded asset, but in the CFD there won't be, I guess. So it's like a future trading, but not having any kind of time limit. Or commodity trading skill. So you can, yeah, you can even trade here forex, CFD, or commodities trading skill. So you can trade gold and other commodities like gas and yeah, crude oils, all kind of content. Evaluation trading account sizes range from 5K, so you can apply from 5K to 300K. So guys, I think what should I do? Maybe I should go with 5K, because that's the very good way of learning, isn't it? And at the same time, we won't be risking a lot of money. I will think about it. So they are providing from $5,000 to $300,000 of capital, with the profit split payout occurring once a month on the first, and bi-weekly. A trader can have up to 600K in capital from evaluation account, but only. So a trader can also go up to 600,000K capital from the evaluation account, but only 300K per trade, but only 300 per trading account. All right. So after getting experience, they might raise up your capital. Through the for my forex evaluation trading account process, we hope to identify serious performs traders who display the trading skill required to be successful with the forex perform. Stay consistent, accurate, and maintain proper trading risk management skill, and we will reward you. Prove your worth and jump to funded account in just little as 10 days, or enjoy the freedom of no time limits. Don't like the evaluation skill the process. So what do we need to do? Do we need to sign in? Maybe we need to sign in, guys, to get this. So oh, what happened? Your connection is not private. What happened, guys? Okay, choose the program that fit your experience label. Our rapid account allows our traders to earn bonus from day one while working with our forex and CRD trading platforms, and the risk management aspect that come with you. Evaluation. Our evaluation program is built for traders who prove their worth. Semi-professional traders need of capital to move to the next step of their career. Accelerated. My forex fund accelerated program is built for our traders to start trading a live account from day one. This program is suitable for profitable full-time traders who want to boost their capital. All right, so it's quite three different things we can see: rapid, evaluation, and accelerated. Choose the program that, okay, so they are directly giving accelerated. Let's see for the accelerated what happened. All right, not ready to start program. That's okay. Good. Accelerated, rapid, some knowledge. Maybe we should go from rapid, or not ready. Not ready to start program. That's okay. Get updates from mailing. No man, I want to get ready. What's going on? Choose the program that fits you. What's going on, mate? Let's cancel it again and my forex fund. Start now. Our what's going on? Oh, there is. Oh, there's a different one, guys. Conventional. What is this, man? So many things here. Evaluation 84. Rapid. Rapid evaluation. Okay. Accelerated. Get started immediately with our accelerated for industry. Okay, so you can just simply okay, so they have provided three ways of funding, guys. For the accelerated one, you don't need to show them that you are experienced or this kind of things, like you don't need to pass any challenges, I guess. So you could simply get the account. So but you need to pay a lot, guys. Assured funding available, leverage, target. So we will be simply going through rapid. We will go through evaluation, isn't it? We will take time, no worries. Start now. This cold has done. accounts. What happening here? Why not it's getting locked? It's not getting locked in. Maybe I need to sign in, but I'm doing a sign in. It's not. Your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from panel myforex.com. For example, passport messages or credit cards. Advanced. Your connection isn't private. Attackers might trying to steal your information from panel myforex fund, for example. The server could not prove that it is panel myforexfund.com. It is its security certificate expired 26 days ago. This may be caused by misfunctional attackers intercepting your connection. Your computer's clock is currently set to Thursday, November 30th. Does that look right? If not, you should correct your system clock and refresh it, please. Username, I think. Oh, we need to create an account. Let's. Sorry. It's showing some kind of issue, guys. So. Let's first register account. Passport must have at least one non-alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means, guys, some kind of symbols, I guess. Username Rahul Dahal is invalid. Can only contain letter or digits. Letter or digits. What could we write? Let's make some god's name. Om for. Username Rahul Dahal invalid. Can only contain letter. Password must have at least one non-numeric character, non-alphanumeric. One non-alpha numeric character. What is it? Symbol such as non. Yeah, that's what I did. Shift that. Password must have at least one non-alpha numeric character. Fuck man, what's going on? At least one non. Okay, guys. Wait. Maybe will work now. Please God, just work it. It's taking a lot of time, man. How much time it's been for this recording? Almost like 1 year. I don't know. 1 year. 1 hour. It's a long one. It's taking a long time, man. Why it took a long time, man? Oh God, please. The desired email is available. Confirm password and password do not match. What is it? The desired username is available. What's going on, man? Your session has expired due to inactivity. Let's reload it. No way, no way. It's not good, man. In here, FTM or nothing. There is no issue for payment, but here in my forex fund, let's say another one. All right, my funded trader, my funded trader. Yeah, this is the new one, guys. We should also see here if it takes a lot of time. My forex fund, my funded trader, yeah. Here is also the two phases, the challenge. The first phase is the first of the evaluation process. You must achieve the virtual profit target. Switch your pathway, standard challenge, account size 50,000. Account size is way too much. Standard challenge 10,000. Let's compare. So here, step 1, it's nice, man, because the minimum simulated trading days, here they are only giving you, you only need to trade for 3 days in the funded trader unlimited. And challenge level 1 is to 60. That's all. Leverage they are providing, and virtual target 10%, virtual profit target, maximum loss 10%, maximum virtual daily 5%, equity and balance, virtual profit split, weekend holding yes. First will refundable fee $129. It's quite expensive then, but cheaper than FTMO. But the good thing here is you can trade only 3 days. You don't need to hold for 5 days as it was on my forex fund. Selling per it won't work, then I have to go with my funded trader because it's quite cheap compared to FTMO, plus good enough. My funded trader, my funded trader. So we will be trying a last time, alright? The username password is incorrect. Then we need to create our account. Rahul Fopu, let's try this one. Register, confirm password, do not match. Registered account. The desired email is available. What is this? Manage personal information to source receive information. What the flop, man? What is this? My forex fund. It's not good, man. Taking a lot hell of a time. Maybe try it with another Gmail. Maybe my email address, it wasn't working before. My funded trader also looks good for me until now. Oh, Rick's regular. We are regular, man. So we'll be taking $10,000 challenge. So it's almost 129 AUD USD. What is it, man? Before it was a 155 euro. For USD 171. It's quite expensive here. Maybe we could log in now. Welcome back. Rahul Dahal @gmail.com. Let's enter our password. The username and password not working is incorrect. Fuck, man. If this kind of issue keep on coming on the initial part, then how could we would be? This oh, username was different, right? I forgot. Rahul 444 it was. Okay, guys, here finally we came. My funded trader also 129. We will be getting leverage here. 1:200, unlimited 3 days. Ethereum USDT dashboard. BNB Ethereum USDT. Sit site. My forex fund doesn't looks like user friendly. I don't know, but it's taking a hell lot of time to do things. Start now. I already clicked on start now. I wanted to go through the experienced rapid. I just want to get evaluation, rapid accelerated evaluation. Get to see how performs work, get paid as you can experience, low entry cost, progressing professional trader, evaluation start now. Evaluation. So this is my $10,000 account. I'm doing something wrong, or what happened, guys? Why this site is kind of mess to me, my forex fund? I'm trying to go through evaluation. Start now. Look, I'm keep on trying to make it start, but nothing working. Fuck, man. What the hell? Fuck, man. I won't be going with this forex fund. I'm done. You can see, like, in the, even I'm trying to start, it's getting a hell lot of me. Then what would happen in the later on days, isn't it? So either we should go with the FT ammo or my forex fund. So as we can see that everything is same for FT ammo and my funded trader, like the drawdown and the profit, everything is same. Drawdown, tab, equity and balance, and the main thing is here we would be paying almost like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Let's compare. All right, it's what we are paying in funded trader: 130, 40, 50, 60, 70. So either we should pay $40 extra, oh, and go with some reliable FT ammo challenge, or we should go with funded trader. In the FT ammo, what was for $10,000, we had FT ammo. Let's see here. Let's see, for FT ammo challenge, minimum trading days is 4 days, so we have to be here 4 days a week, but in funded trader it's only saying 3 days, so that's a good one, isn't it? So I guess I should go with funded trader. Yeah, and even we could choose $5,000 account, so it will cost 65 USD. What should I do? Because this is my first time. I think I should go with the $5,000, isn't it? So we would learn few, because first time there would be a chances of getting some. There would be a few chances that we would do some mistakes. So maybe, yeah, we would go with $5,000. All right, guys. So let's buy this challenge. Here we go. Start new challenge. Choose the initial capital and the type of TFT challenge. Challenge type standard, rapid. Account size 5,000. Platform is platform 4. Broker, think market. What is it? Account type regular. Market. What they are saying, like some broker. Do they providing this is my forex? Do they providing $5,000 account? No, it's only $10,000. So we can trade here forex, indices, crypto, commodities and customs. FNQ, let's see a few things on FNQ. I'm quite confused in this broker. What he's trying to say. Is there any some kind of live chat? Let's do a live chat. Free trial. Welcome to TFT. We are here. Please choose a below topic: free trial, competition, current promotion, order status, competition, bridge demo account, simulated funded account, simulated challenge account, gateway claims, simulated challenge account, competition, free trial, current promotion, simulated funded account, competition. Thank you for reaching our TFT simulated competition. Let us know what you can help you. Just now. What is it? Where is the? Where is the man? Where can I type? Why there is nothing here? Fuck, man. Okay, how and when I can place trader? What are the study index? What are where my login credentials? What are the rules? How to access the dashboard? How to download trading? Start over. Maybe I should have watched few videos done by other people's, but discount code. Standard rapid. Everything is good here, but expect of this broker. What is this trying to say? What this guy is trying to say here? What do we need to search for broker in my funded trader? Key point: choosing a forex broker is the first. No, this is not the one. Which broker platform? Which broker and platform can I use? Let's see which broker and platform I can use. Challenge account. We provide our trades with 3 broker option for challenge and simulated funded account on trading platform 4, and however 8 cap is accessibly available on trading platform 5. The broker choices are 8 cap, purple trading SC, think markets. Okay, so these are the brokers choice. They are giving us 8 cap, purple trading SC. Let's see, 8 cap, purple trading and think market. For simulated funded account on trading mentorship, we offer the following brokers available on 4 and 5: purple trading and think market. Competition account requirements. Competition account, currently we only provide one broker option for TFT competition. 5, currently we only provide one broker account. Requirements for broker platform: please note that unable to change broker. Not for challenge account, this will only be done if you don't have for similar from internet. This can request the change. Marketing of 8cap trading platform. Our 8cap trading platform provides for experience crypto metal indices. The 8cap trading platform following the download here. Terminal one thing market. All right, so they are providing these brokers like for MT 4 and 5, Purple Trading and Think Markets. So we can choose either one of them, Purple Trading and Think Markets. Which one we choose? Let's see what is Purple Trading and Think Market. Purple Trading and Think Market, which is good. Versus Think Market, what is it? Let's see. Purple Trading versus Think Markets. Purple Trading review 2023. Purple Trading is a legitimate forex and CFD broker in an established execution and range of market trading to commercial trading platforms. The brokers have been regulated with authorization from the both of the CCA. Purple Trading offers a good selection of account types and suit different trades, including beginner, pros, and passive. Think Masters is a reputable CFD and forex broker with regulation from several top tier bodies, including FCA and SIC. Australian traders can use a bespoke platform MD5 with access to wide variety of assets, including 350 stocks, ETFs, forex pair, and 20 cryptocurrency. Fees are competitive, particularly for the Think Zero accounts. The spread starting at are competitive, particularly for the Think Zero account with spread starting at 0. Trading based accounts lose money when trading safely. Purple Trading is a great fit for investors seeking a regulated broker with access to popular financial market, unreliable trader, MetaTrader platform. Think Market is a reliable, multi-regulated broker that will suit most CFD traders thanks to its large asset list, competitive and excellent platform option. Trustworthy and regulated by the low fee with competitive spread on the commission fee account and very tight spread and low 3.5 commission on thing. Okay, so all we need is a competitive spread, tight spread, isn't it? So Think Market would be better for us, as they mentioned here. Broker Think Market, let's choose that one. Okay, so let's fill up the billing information, guys. Rahul Dahal, email address this one, 1305026. No, this is not my address right now. 22 Raffles Crescent, 5038 Australia, town, city Adelaide. State South Adelaide is not nothing. I agree the processing of cancellation and refundable. Okay, no. Account size 5000, platform MD for broker Think Market. Let's take a picture of this, alright, as we are almost here. Discount code, what happened? Oh, account type, sorry, I'm a regular account type. So everything is good. Apple's Crescent, Rahul Dahal, number is this. Account type 5000, account type regular, MT4, broker discount. Okay, so we need to pay $65. So what we do is discount code, affiliated code, discount code. Do we have any discount code? Let's see if anyone has provided. Yep, my forex my funded trader, if anyone has provided. that would be great. The discount code provides a 15% discount, the funded discount. Okay guys, CEASER. Let's type this one, CEASER. CEASER, CEASER, CEASER. This is what they are mentioning here. CEASER provides a 15% discount. Let's see if we get or not. Affiliate verify. Discount code, valid code. Wow, look guys, we get a 15% discount here. Nice one, isn't it? It was 65% before, but now as we put discount code of Caesar, we get 15% discount. That's a nice one. So let's see for affiliated code, if there would be affiliate code for my funded trader. Affiliated code that can receive a discount on funded trader, and the current affiliate code is CNACQK, 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 CNACQK. Is it the one? CNACQA, CNACQK, CNACQK, CNACQK. Let's verify. Invalid code. It's saying invalid code here. Let's try another one. Current promo, the funded trader, and the sunshine. Let's try sunshine. Sunshine. Affiliated code sunshine is also not working. Let's try the last one, otherwise we will just go with that one. Old traveler, TRAVELER, old traveler, old TRAVELER, old traveler. No man, we didn't get whatever it is. We get 15% discount, isn't it? That's a good enough. So let's complete the order. Your order has been received. In order to receive your credential, you must select one of the payment option below. Payment is confirmed. You will issued credential instantly. When paying with crypto, there is a higher delay. So product standard challenge phase. Debit card, crypto. So I'll be paying with my debit card, MasterCard, guys. So I need to pay $55. Think market, regular, discount. I got this one. My card number. This is my card number. CVC. Sorry guys. Guys, now, sorry. The charge will appear on the credit card. Guys, so it is almost done, guys. So we are finally here. What I will do is I will just simply put my CVC code here, and after that I will pay and we'll be done, guys. So I will make further videos like what happened after this one, because I don't want to make video right now, because it is very confidential to show my CVC number over here, because anyone could see this video and maybe someone could take advantage of it. So I'm just quitting my video over here. So as you can see that we went through a couple of funded pro forms, and finally we compared three of the main pro forms like FTMO, the funded trader, and my forex fund. With FTMO, as we can see that they were providing funding from starting of $10,000. It was all good. It is a reputed company, everything was good, but the price was quite more compared to others. For forex fund, it was good that the price, everything was good, but what happened over there was that the website and all those logins, it was quite hectic, as you saw on the video. It was very harder for us to get in, and I thought that while we are here on the first day feeling this kind of things, then who knows, in the coming days something worst gonna happen, isn't it? So we can't just rely on those kind of side, but it's still good. If you want to see about my forex fund, you can see maybe I did something wrong while getting login. And finally I came with the funded trader. This was quite popular with a few of the traders. I heard about this funded trading account, and here we the good thing about funded trader was that the funding they were providing, it was starting from $5,000. That's the good one, because this is our first challenge, so we don't want to risk a lot of money here. So I just thought maybe expect of going from $10,000. I start from 5,000. So the charge was $65, but as you saw on my video, I used the promo discount code, and we got 15% discount. So well, I'm paying $55. That's a good one. So this is all up to now, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting my CVC and doing this transaction. So I'm just canceling this video for now, and I will let you know what happened after next, and we will see on the next video. All right, have a good day. Thank you.